latest update after the new bumpers. Might as well show you what this car sounds like these days with the carburetors finally tuned now. By the way, I also reupholstered the original seats and got rid of the Suffolk seats. Gotta love the bumpers without the rubber overriders on there. And this was a cold start just now, by the way. I did order an aluminum radiator. Here it's supposed to be about 30% more efficient in cooling. It runs a little hot in the hot weather, so let's hope that helps when it arrives. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this.